Hi, welcome, Jodie here. In this video, I'm wanting to show you how you can actually watch videos at a faster speed, which really suits when people are either slower talkers or there's just a lot of content to get through that you're wanting to sort of get a bit of a snapshot of to know what it is you should be sitting and watching and taking notes of, particularly if you're learning anything to do with traffic. Funnily enough, here we are in the Traffic Rockstars group. If you have joined us in this group with Kim Roach, awesome. Make sure you tag us. We know who's actually here with us as well. And fantastic accountability that Kim is running through this group as well. So the reason why I'm recording this video is that as much as we love Kim and all of her content and we'll shout her name from the top of the mountains, she does talk a little bit slower than what I'm able to take in what she's teaching. So I like to be able to speed her up. So Facebook doesn't come with the natural ability to speed videos. So I've had to download a Chrome extension in order to get this little shadowed number 1 here that allows me to press the plus button and speed her up to probably about 1.5 or 1.6 or 7. She's not sounding like a chipmunk. She literally is just talking a little bit quicker. So this is a really, really cool tool, and we got this from Chrome just by literally typing into Google video speed controller. You download it as an extension. It all pretty much happens for you. I had a slight issue. It wasn't showing up to start with, and what I did was just checked one of my settings, just again followed Google to tell me what to do, but the main thing was I hadn't shut Chrome down. So once you install this extension, you come over to Chrome, close it down, open it back up, and the telltale sign will be when you're looking at a video and you can see that this little button is showing up. Now it does actually work on YouTube as well, but YouTube of course has its own settings where you can speed things up. So if ever you're on a YouTube video, look for this little cog, click it, and you've got your speed settings here where you can change things up, or if somebody talks fast like I do, you can slow them down. So it's showing here as well. There you go. It pretty much will work on every website, YouTube, Facebook, wherever there is a video, and it's a super helpful tool. I hope that has been super helpful to you. If you do like to get these little tips and tricks and make things easier or learn how to do things, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll make sure that we keep these videos rolling out so that you can be on top of your game in the internet marketing and digital marketing space online. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.